Good day, respected panelists, professors, and fellow students. Imagine you are in a workplace area where danger is present and one wrong decision could lead to serious injury. Would you know exactly what protective equipment to use? We are here to present to you our study entitled Safety Class, a gamified training application for personal protective equipment selection. In this presentation, we will discuss the background of our study, its significance and limitations, and demonstrate how the system works.
Workplace accidents remain a major issue across industries such as aviation, construction, and firefighting. One of the primary causes of these accidents is not the absence of safety equipment, but the improper use of personal protective equipment or PPE. Many individuals lack sufficient knowledge or fail to apply what they have learned in real life situations. Traditional training materials such as this are often less engaging, which leads to low knowledge retention. As a result, individuals may still make incorrect decisions when selecting appropriate PPE.
This study is significant because it introduces more interactive and more engaging approach to safety training. It benefits students, schools, and industries by improving awareness, knowledge, and decision-making skills related to PPE selection. Instead of simply memorizing information, users can actively participate in learning process through experience. However, the study also has certain limitations. It focuses only on selected industries and requires access to digital devices. Additionally, while the system provides real-world scenarios, it cannot fully replicate the actual workplace risks. Despite this limitation, the study provides a strong foundation for improving safety training through the use of technology.
So now, let us walk through our project, Safety Quest. The user begins by opening the application and selecting the Start Up button. They then choose a difficulty level which can be beginner, intermediate, or advanced. After that, the user selects an industry such as construction, aviation, or other industries covered by the project. The system then generates a scenario based on the selected industry. Then we now proceed to the PPE selection interface. In this interface, the user can now see himself on the screen by the use of a camera or a webcam. The user can click the buttons by adjusting his or her hands on the button. The user chooses from different protective equipment options categorized into 5 options, namely head, torso, hands, pants, and shoes. When a section is selected, a group of choices within that specific category appears, allowing users to select the PPE they believe is appropriate based on the generated scenario. Once the selection is submitted, the system evaluates the answers and provides a score. The score depends on the user's selection. Once the selection is submitted, the system evaluates the answers and provides a score. The score depends on the user's selection, specifically whether they selected the correct type and number of PPE required for the scenario. And that would be all for our system. Thank you.
After exploring how our system works, let us now take a look at how effective it is based on our results. While completeness and appropriateness scored the highest, showing that the system provides suitable and necessary features, while corrections scored slightly lower, indicating minor areas for improvement.
Overall, the system performs effectively and meets the user expectation. In conclusion, SafetyQuest is more than just a training application. It is an innovative tool that transforms the way of people learn about safety. It converts passive learning into an interactive experience, allowing users to actively think, make decisions, and apply their knowledge. The study demonstrates that gamified learning can significantly improve awareness, knowledge, and compliance in the proper use of PPEs. While safety itself is not a game, learning about safety can be engaging, interactive, and effective through the use of technology.
I'm here with
Hanyel Kim
from what course and what year?
from Avio, section 2A.
What can you say about our thesis or study?
Well, I would say that it's kind of great and fun to look at, and I think it's exciting to see in the future improvements of it.
What is the effects of using the safety quest as a avionics student?
Well, it can also help in the site and the near aircraft for a faster use then, and also for bigger major companies.
For safety?
Yes, for safety as well.
What are the things that needs improvement on our thesis?
Well, I would say that I want to improve its quality and its overall graphics because it's kind of laggy, but also it's hopefully it could fits its in or no fits our bodies, shapes, and sizes, and maybe also add some background sounds when choosing which one to choose in the outfits, and maybe more outfits to go.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm here with
Jasmine Casas,
from what year and what course?
third year A po.
So what can you say about our study?
Ang masasabi ko po sa thesis ninyo is sobrang napakaganda at helpful po niya sa mga estudyanteng nag-aaral po dito sa mismong course natin kasi meron po tayong sa thesis niyo po makikita po natin yung mga proper PPE na ginagamit na dapat sa proper section po.
What is the effects of using safety quest as an avionics student?
Sa akin po, binibigyan niya po kami ng proper knowledge po sa different sectors sa paggamit ng PPE.
Last question. What are the things that needs improvement on our thesis project?
So, ayun po. Sa palagay ko po yung proper fittings niyo po. Kasi kapag, example po yung mga matatangkad na tao, like, hindi po nag-fit yung mga pinaka PPE niya. Ganun.